Hi, I'm Ankush Datta. In this video, I'll show you how to edit figure properties in MATLAB. First, open Simulink model. We first run the model. This is the output of the scope. We first assign the name to the scope. Say the name is Sanju. Apply. OK. We minimize the block. Again run the block. Now the name Sanju has been assigned to the scope. Now in MATLAB command window, type Sanju. A is equal to Sanju dot time. B equal to Sanju dot signals dot values. Then plot A comma B. This will plot the output in MATLAB. Now to edit the figure properties, we first need to go to edit figure properties. First click outside the output block. We first change its color by clicking on this block, set it as white. Then when we click on the figure inside, the figure inside is selected. Now to change the properties of the figure, we go to font, set font size of the figure. Here font size is set to 12. The font size of the figure is set to 12. Then we insert grid, that is x-axis and y-axis. Then we change the color of the output, that is its color is set to red. Now we set the thickness of the line, that is it is set to 2. Next is we can insert x label, that on x-axis say we have time, y label say we have frequency deviation, now we click on time and we can set its size. Similarly, we click on frequency deviation and it sets its font size to 12. Next, we can insert legend, that is the output corresponds to, we can assign that name to the output. Say this output is of frequency deviation. We can move the legend to the bottom of the figure as well as to the top of the figure. This will help you when you will write your essay papers. So at last we will save the figure in the same directory. We can assign name to this figure, that it is figure 1. We can save this figure. Now this figure has been saved in MATLAB. Now we can open this figure in MATLAB whenever you want to open the figure. This is all about editing of the figure in MATLAB. This will going to help you when you will publish your papers. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.